Welcome back to my channel, YouTube viewers. The other day I went to turn my steam machine on here, and it bang, tripped the breaker as soon as I turned it on. And I tried it several more times, and it just kept popping the breaker every time I turned it on. So I took it apart here. There's the tank. Some of the insulation was missing. If you look right up here, I had a wire laying on the hot tank. Thankfully, I found the problem. What I'll do is I'll stuff some more insulation in there and isolate that wire from the hot tank. I'm trying to do this one hand. There it is. Look at that, man. See how it burnt through that insulation right there? And that bare wire that's underneath that insulation was just laying on the steel tank, and it finally got through it to the wire and was creating a short circuit. So now I'm going to replace this bared piece here, get that out of there and connect it back together. And I've got some insulation down here that I got from my boss when I used to be in the molten metal industry. He was a guy from Alcoa, and he gave me this big roll of ceramic wool here. So I'll cut some of that up, and we'll stick that in here, and we'll button this up, and we should be good to go. I've made the repair on the wire there. It ain't going nowhere. And so now what we're going to do is I've got some insulation down here that I've cut into pieces. This is ceramic wool, and what I'm going to do is just kind of place these in here underneath them wires to isolate the wires from the tank. And then I think I should have my problem solved here. And then we'll fire it up and give it a test shot here in a minute. Plus this will help keep the heat in where it needs to be. Man, I sure am thankful for my Navy training. That's what, this is the exact kind of stuff I used to do when I was in the Navy, believe it or not. Working on these boilers and pumps, pipes, valves, tanks, and stuff like that. All right, I think we should be safe now. I don't think we'll have any more problems out of, let me stick some down here so it doesn't have it, hold it, prop it up, prop the insulation up. I don't think you can have too much insulation in here. Get some down. I'm going to put some down around here. Keep them wires off of that hot plate here too. I'm going to cut the camera off to do that. All right, let's see if we can get the rest of this wiring here separate and protected from the heat. I think I pretty much got it now. Maybe a little bit more up here. And this will help keep the heater from cooling off and using a bunch of electricity too. This whole end was open down here, and I've pretty much got it all isolated now. That's all isolated up there. These are wires that go to the solenoid operated valve up there that allow you to press on the foot pedal. These are the little squares I use, by the way, to insulate my melt dishes when I do melts. All right, I think I got this square, man. What I'm going to do before I buckle it all back up, I'm going to turn it on and see if I don't, see if I got... All right, I've got it plugged in. And yesterday, as soon as I turned this on switch to the on position, it would trip the breaker. So here we go. Here goes nothing. All right, the breaker did not trip. My ultrasonic still got power. That's a good sign. Now let's see if we can put this knob on here. I think we should. Boom! We're back online. Oh my goodness, thank the Lord, thank the Lord. I paid almost $1,000 for this thing, and I thought it was ruined. So I got it all fixed up, got it all insulated. The wires are protected now. I should be good to go. All right, man, that'll conclude the video. I've got gold refining going on right now. Today is Sunday. I'm going to try to get that thing posted this evening. So that'll do it, man. Thanks for watching.